Hey there, it's Jason here from 1 Hour Forex, and today is April the 16th, 2012, and we're going to take a quick look at the setups here. Basically, right here is our 2 o'clock candle, our 3 o'clock, and our 4 o'clock right here. There was no trades on, I don't think, on any of them, but we will check this here, our 10 o'clock one. There might have been a buy, but there was no selling on this candle or buying. Okay, the only thing we could do is it didn't come up to here to sell it, so all that we could do, well, I guess maybe you could have sold it. Hold on here now. But yeah, let's see. Okay. Basically, it just sold off of this past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. Let's see if that was a trade. Let's go see. Maybe it was. I was not up at that time. Okay. So basically, here's 6 o'clock. Yeah, it opened up and came back down. Let's see here. Yeah, so you would have sold it right there. And our target would have been right there, 23 pips. Yeah, I guess there was a trade there, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Yeah, so within the first, yeah, there was a trade. It was a sell, I guess you could say. It sold off of this resistance here, this resistance. It came up to here, which was resistance. Came back down. Your entry would have been there within the first 15 minutes, and then the next 15 minutes it came down and hit your target. So yeah, there was a sell there, okay, and it was a winner. It was a 23 pip winner. Okay, so let's go back now and see if the next candle was a trade, which was at 10 o'clock. Now we're looking for a bounce off 130 and then turning blue and going up to S2, which we know that didn't exactly happen, but let's go see. Okay, so it opened up here. Yeah, came back up. Yeah, and you would have got long right here, and it closed down here. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Closed here. So let's go back to the hour. There was a trade on here as well. The entry would have been right there within half an hour or so. So this one basically gave you, the target was 18 pips, okay? It gave you 11 pips, which is more than halfway, so you would have moved your stop to break even. So it would have came back down, you would have broke even on that trade. This next one, there was no trade on it, okay? So we had a 23 pip winner and a break even in the UK session. Now let's go into the US session. Here's our 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and 10 o'clock. Okay, so our 8 o'clock, okay, it did not come down and bounce off anything. It just ran up. There was no trade on that bar, okay? And there was 13 pips to that target. Target 2 was 29 pips, okay? Now, the 9 o'clock candle, okay, it went up, came back down, and closed lower, but, okay, well, there was 10 pips there. Let's see. There was 10 pips from the entry point to the S2. So let's go and see what happened there. Yeah, there it was there. No, it got triggered in the last 45 minutes, so there was no sell trade there. See, because first it went up, bounced off this one, and came back down. Our trigger would have been right here. Yeah, see, there was no trade on that candle, on that hourly candle. This one right here, okay? And then this third one, our 10 o'clock candle, it didn't really do anything. It didn't really bounce off of anything perfectly. Okay, if it would have came down some more, bounced off of here, it would have been fine, but it didn't do that. And even from our entry point, yeah, we had 11 pips. So there was no trade on this one, okay? Unless you want to count it as rejecting S2 and coming back up and turning blue. I guess you could look at it as a way in a trade, but you would have liked to seen it come down a little bit more. So anyway, that's it for the setups for today. Thanks for listening. It's Monday, and have a great day. It's a windy day here today in Canada.